followed by the mothers of our bride and our groom.
Malungkot si Mother. Na-smile naman, Nay. Na-smile.
At this point, we are inviting everyone to please give a big hand for our handsome groom for this lovely afternoon. Palakpakan po natin, Fire Senior Superintendent Jerome Riano.
Naiiyak ako.
The members of the principal sponsors, starting up with Madam Leonora Bantomagon. Retired Fire Director Rolando Bandilia Jr. together with Madam Nilda Bandilia.
Hello, sir.
Retired Police Colonel Rolando Esguerra together with retired Major Lita Esguerra.
Pogi.
Mr. Bernard Austrias together with Madam Norma Austrias. And to complete the members of our principal sponsors, we have Madam Nancy Gonzalez. The members of the secondary sponsors, our candle sponsors, Fire Senior Inspector Ralph Emmanuel Ocampo, together with Madam Jessa Ocampo.
Pamangkin ko yan, Pogi.
Our veil sponsors, Police Major Erwin Micosa, together with Fire Major Ruth Joy Micosa. Our court sponsors, Jail Superintendent Jerome Soriano, together with Madam Katrina Soriano. Our Bible bearer, Mr. Ramon Tuazon, together with Mener Tuazon. Carrying the symbol of wealth, we have Marjorie Manio, together with Janelle Manio. Carrying the symbol of love, our Ray members, J. Con Abelilia, together with Ruth Abelilia. our beautiful maid of honor, Miss Maria Giselle Carolina Reyano. The members of our 24 symbolic candle and lights and this true flower that will mark the continuation of the journey of our couple. Let's welcome in Senior Fire Officer 2, Stephen Cortez, together with Senior Fire Officer 2, Marjolyn Ico Cortez. Police Staff Sergeant Mark Jarek Tuiza, together with Fire Officer 2, Beverly Catley Tuiza. Fire Officer 3, Adrian Aulo Labrador, together with Fire Officer 3, Meren Darido Labrador. Fire Officer 3, Judah Rosell, together with Miss Karen Buda Rosell. Fire Officer 2, Dennis Sanchez, together with Senior Fire Officer 1, Janela De Leon Sanchez. Fire Officer 2, Glenn Maranan, together with Fire Officer 2, Abel Joy Digma Maranan. Fire Officer 1, Jeremy Paul Lobete, together with Fire Officer 1, Ira Dries Lobete. Fire Officer 1, Raymond Paduata, together with Miss Risha Paduata. Honorable Richard Lianes, together with Fire Officer 2, Mary Grace Pesa Lianes. At this point, we are inviting everyone to please stand up as we welcome in our beautiful bride for this lovely afternoon. Muli amin pong inaadiyahan ang lahat ng ating mga bisita na tumayo at samahan tayo sa pag-welcome sa ating magandang bride sa masayang okasyon ngayong araw. Everyone, please join me in welcoming our beautiful bride, Madam Celia Reyano.
Naiyak ako. Naiyak ako.